Hello guys, and welcome to another episode for your KET class. Today we'll be doing a workbook review for Unit 8, pages 89 through 93. If you haven't recognized me already, this is Paulina. I hope you all staying home and staying safe. Okay, so first let's go to page 89. And the first exercise is exercise number 13. It says, read the sentence. Check the sentences that are second conditional. Now, you have 7 sentences and you have to check which of them are in second conditional. You can use the little formula that Teacher Mark gave you last class. So now you can go ahead and take a moment to pause this video and answer your exercise. Okay, so let's check your answers. The sentences that should be checked are number 2, number 3, number 6, and number 7. Next is exercise 14, and it says, match the sentence halves to create sentences with the second conditional. Remember, this is the formula for the second conditional we were talking about. So it is if plus past simple plus would plus verb in infinitive form. So you have to match the 8 sentences of each side with the one that completes the second conditional. Now, pause this video and answer your exercise. Okay, so let's check your answers. So the first one, it says, if I found a watch, and the answer is letter F, I would know what time it is. Number 2, I would not be late all the time, letter C, if I had a watch. Number 3, if I weren't late, letter E, I would make a better impression. Number 4, I would get more job offers, letter H, if I made a better impression on people. Number 5, if I received several job offers, letter G, I would choose the best job. Number 6, if I were able to choose the best job, letter A, I would earn more money. Number 7, I would be able to buy a watch, letter B, if I earned more money. And number 8, if I bought a watch, letter D, I would return the watch I found. So in exercise number 15, you have to choose the correct form of the verbs to complete the sentences. Remember, we're still on the second conditional, and I'm going to help you with the first one. It says, he will bought, would bought, or could buy new clothes if he saved, or would save his money. And the answers are, he could buy new clothes if he saved his money. So now pause the video and answer the rest of the exercise. Okay, so now let's check your answers. Number 2, if our mother taught us how to sew, we could make our own clothes. Number 3, if the company did not manufacture enough smartphones, the price would increase. Number 4, their stores would be full of unwanted merchandise if no one bought new clothes. Number 5, I would save time if I shopped closer to my home. Number 6, if the mall had better stores, we would probably spend more money there. Number 7, if the bookstore carried more books, I would find one I like. And number 8, more people would eat at the restaurant if it served better food. In exercise 16, you have to combine the two sentences using the second conditional. In the example we have, we often buy things we don't really need. We don't have a lot of money in the bank. And the second conditional for that would be, if we didn't buy things we don't really need, we would have more money in the bank. For this exercise, there's not only one correct answer. You just have to remember this little formula for the second conditional and everything will be fine. So now it's time for you to pause the video and answer. Now I'm going to show you what I answered. Remember, you don't have to have these exact answers. These are just an example. So this is my first answer, my second, my third, my fourth, my fifth, and my sixth. Okay, so passing on to page 90, we have the first exercise for vocabulary, and it says, complete the sentences with the correct words. You have a box with 8 words, and you have to complete the sentences for the vocabulary we reviewed. Now pause the video and answer your exercise. Now let's check your answer. Number 1. There are 3 TV shows about pirates on tonight. Number 2. This is one of the most difficult video games I've ever played. Number 3. Advertisements on billboards are surprisingly effective. Number 4. A good shopping mall usually includes a variety of stores. Number 5. Learning how to build a website is a very useful skill. Number 6. Air pollution is harmful to people, animals, and plants. Number 7. Fruits and vegetables are usually displayed at the front of a supermarket. And number 8. Plastics in the ocean are causing great harm to sea life. Okay, the next exercises are about the reading on page 91. So first, I need you to read it. If you want, you can pause this video and go ahead and read it, and once you're finished, you can go back and we're going to answer the next exercise. Okay, in exercise number 2, you need to write the correct word for each definition. There are 2 words you don't need. You have 10 words and 8 sentences, so be very careful where you place each one of the words. So the first one, person between the ages of 12 and 20. That is a teenager, like these ones or like you guys. Number 2, someone who tries to sell things with advertising. That is an advertiser, like this one. Number 3, an electronic game with a screen. That is a video game. Number 4, knowing about something. That is aware. Number 5, a program you watch. That is a TV show. Number 6, several internet pages linked together. That is a website. Number 7, something that is made and sold. That is a product. And number 8, not graceful. That is awkward. Now, exercise number 3, you have to read the following sentences about advertising to teens. Is each sentence correct or incorrect? So you have to write a C or an I in the sentences that are correct or incorrect. And we're going to do this one together. So the first one, teens know exactly what they want. That is incorrect. You can find this answer on paragraph number 1 on these lines. Number 2, advertisers try to get teens' attention in order to sell things to them. That is correct. You can find it on paragraph number 2 on these lines. Number 3, brands take advantage of teens' feelings of insecurity. That is correct. You can find it on these lines. Number 4, teens trust advertisers. That is correct. You can find it also on paragraph 2 on these lines. Number 5, product placement is only on TV commercials. That is incorrect. You can find it on paragraph 3 on these lines. And number 6, teens are not influenced by advertising. That is incorrect. You can find it on these lines. And finally, we have the last exercise for this page. We're going to try and do them together, but I'm going to give you a few seconds for you to answer before I give you the answer. Or you can also pause the video if you want. So number 1, advertisers and marketers consider blank to be an important demographic. Letter B, teens. Number 2, the meaning of the phrase figuring out is similar to, answer is letter A, thinking about. Number 3, according to the article, what about teens do advertisers try to appeal to? The answer is letter A, their insecurity. Number 4, according to paragraph 2, the following statements are true about teens except letter C, most teens do not want to seem awkward. Number 5, the meaning of the word scenery is similar to, answer is D, props. Number 6, the article agrees with which of these statements? The answer is letter B, advertisers have a big influence on what teens want to buy. And last we have number 7, look at the 4 squares in the article where the following sentence can be added. They are aware that most teens really want to avoid ever seeming awkward. Where does the sentence fit? So for this one, you have to go back to the reading and see where these sentences can be added. And the answer is letter C. They know what teens generally want to fit in and that they want others to think they are attractive. And that's it for these exercises, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you're taking care. See you soon. Bye.
We are moving to page 92. Number 1. What does the bold word in each sentence refer to? The boy who is wearing the striped shirt, it's my brother. In this case, the word who is referring to letter A, boy. You are going to have some time the rest of the exercise. And we are going to check. We are going to exercise number 2. Complete the sentence with who, which, or that. There may be more than one correct answer. Number 1. People, blank space, live in Buenos Aires, call themselves porteños. The answer is who. People who live in Buenos Aires call themselves porteños. Now you're going to buy. And we are going to see the answer. Okay, now we are going to exercise number 3. Match to complete the sentence. The first one, I don't like people who are unkind. Now you are going to complete the rest. Let's check the answers. We are going to exercise number 4. Use the prompts to write sentence with defining relative clauses. 3 sentences do not need the relative pronoun. We are going with number 1. The chair that we bought and sell is so ugly. You are going to have some time to complete the rest. Okay, let's see the answer of the rest of the exercise. And we are going to exercise number 5 on page 93. Are the words involved correct? Correct those that are incorrect. Number 1. I like any food who has chocolate in it. This sentence is incorrect. So, we change the word that is incorrect to that. And you're going to have some time to complete the rest. Let's see the answers. And we're moving to exercise number 6. Put the words in the correct order to make sense. The first one, she has a brother who goes to school in Bangkok. And you're going to complete the rest. Let's check the answers. Okay guys, we're almost finished. So let's go to exercise number 7. Complete the paragraph with which, who, and that. There might be more than one correct answer. GoFundMe is a company which is based in San Diego, California. Okay, you are going to complete the other 6. And we are going to check the answer. Okay, we are going to the next one. Exercise number 8. Use the prompts to write sentences with defining relative clauses that are true for you. Here comes an example. I like farmers that have bows. Number 1. I like to buy things. This is true for me. I like to buy things that are on sale. And here I write some things that are true for me, but you can write sentences that are true for you. There's no correct answer.